know, right? And we put speakers all the way up and down Main Street so everybody can hear. That's what we try to do. What do you think, Ralph? I know. Hey, just want to let everybody know, apparently there's a car show October 6th. It's Celebrate the Hill. It's an annual Don Brown Chevy car show, and it's sponsored by United Camaro Club. And if you guys are interested in it, please check it out. It's Don Brown Chevrolet, and it's a community-wide event, and it's October 6th. So check that out. Also, we've got Mo Roasted Corn. It's down on the corner of Kappa Gray and Main Street, right there on one of the vendors. They said it's an amazing roasted corn right on the ears. They give it to you just like that. Hey, if you guys want to hear something, please let us know. We'll get it on for you. Here you go.
I love that car.